part depend the second term of this part second term depend also depend on this part too. Chapter 6 part 1. Okay, but we are going to start.
Mister, the exam will be 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, and 6.1.
Again, my dear.
The exam parts will be 5.1, 2, and 3, and 6.1.
5 point what?
Mister, the lessons that will come in the exam.
Yes.
5.1, 5.2, 5.3,
Yes.
and 6.1.
Listen to me, I'll tell you now. Chapter 5, part 1 to 3, okay? Chapter 6, part 1, and the first lesson of part 2.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
You're welcome. Just pay attention, please, and to be able to understand this lesson is very simple and easy. You can see the screen in front of you.
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
Yes, Mr.
Today we are going to explain chapter 6, part 1, listen to compound sentence, page 230 till page 234. In this part, we are making a review for the previous part that we had. What are the type of sentence according to the structure? Please, Abbas, keep the quiz now and don't send me on the WhatsApp, okay? Till we finish our session, please, okay? Please, Abbas. Okay.
Mister, can
Yes,
I
you
say
can
that?
tell me what are the types of sentence according to the structure? Yes, Moaz?
Mister, basic sentence and complex sentence.
Please turn on your cam, my dear students. Yes, Moaz? Huh?
Mister, basic sentence and compound sentence and complex sentence and
It's called
compound and
it's called simple sentence.
simple
Okay.
sentence.
Yes.
And the compound sentence.
Compound sentence.
And complex.
Complex sentence.
And the complex compound. Or
and compound complex sentence. And as we said together, today we are going to explain the compound sentence. As we said, for compound sentence, we have here, for compound sentence, we have the coordinating conjunctions, as we call them fanboys. We start with the letter F, A, N, P, O, Y, and S. To make it simple in one word, by saying fanboys, F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. In a simple way, we can say that they are the fan boys. We are going to know what's the meaning of each one of them. As you remember together in the previous lesson that we have for the base sentence, or as we have here a subject or basic sentence, we have subjects and verbs. These are the main elements of any sentence. Am I right?
Yes,
you follow me? Okay, Muhammad Islam, can you read this part, please?
Okay, Mr. Basic sentence, subject. The subject is usually the most important person, place, thing, or idea in the sentence. The verb tell what the subject is or does. Example, people frequently died of what are now considered to be relatively minor illness. So, Mr. Here we have the subject, which is people.
Yes.
And we have the verb, which is died.
Yes, the subject that we have in this sentence, the word people, and the verb that we have here is die. Okay. For this part of today, we are going to differentiate between the simple sentence and compound sentence. Yes, Muhammad, what I mean by a simple sentence? Muhammad Islam. Yes.
The simple sentence has the most basic element that make it a sentence: subject, verb, and completed thought or one idea.
Yes, but for a compound sentence, it refers to a sentence made of two independent clauses. What I mean by independent clause? Independent clause, it means that the sentence has a complete meaning. For example, I visited my uncle and I went home. The first sentence I said I visited my uncle, the meaning is completed, yes?
Yeah.
And we use here the conjunction and. Then I said I went home. This one also has a complete meaning. So the sentence that has a complete meaning is called what here? Independent clause. It can stand alone. It can stand alone. Okay.
And Mr. Also, they are connected to one another with a coordinating conjunction. This coordinating conjunction are the fanboys. This is we can Mr. summarize it with fanboys, which is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so.
Yes, well done, Muhammad. But I mean here by independent clause, only one sentence, not two. Okay, only one sentence that
Yeah.
can stand alone and it has a complete meaning. Let's know together what are the meaning of fanboys or the meaning of each one of the coordinating conjunction. We can see only the coordinating conjunction in the compound sentence, not more, okay? So a compound sentence refers to a sentence made up of two independent clauses or complete sentences connected to one another with a coordinating conjunction. What are the coordinating conjunction? As we said, the fanboys, like for, what does it mean for here? It means because. For means because. And it's used to show additional information, and nor it's used to join two negative sentences. But take care, when we use the word nor, we'll put it before the helping verb. Okay. For example, I didn't visit my uncle nor my brother. Or nor, I can say nor did my brother. Okay, nor did my brother. So I use nor before here, before the helping verb. Okay, according to the tense of the sentence. We saw together, sorry, we'll see together when we start to answer the practice. Then we have the word Muhammad Islam. Can you read, please?
Okay, sir.
The word
But to show contrast or to show a choice between two possible things.
Yet.
Mr. We have yet or to show a choice
contrast.
between two possible things, and we have yet to show contrast.
So it means what? As a result or therefore. Okay.
Yeah.
So again, for means what again? Because, and it's used to show additional information, nor it's used to join two negative sentences, but and yet to show contrast, so they have the same use, or to show a choice between two possible things. So it means as a result or therefore. Here we have practice 4. Open your book, please. Page 200, I think 231 maybe. Open your book. Omar Ahmed, read the headline of the question, please. Thanks so much, Muhammad Islam.
Which of the following are combined sentences, which are simple sentence, underline subjects with one line and verbs with two lines? Label each sentence as simple or C compound. Then circle the connecting words and or punctuation.
Yes.
Okay.
Here he asked to say what
example.
again the question. He said, which are simple sentence? Underline the subject, one line, and the verb, two lines. Label each sentence if simple or compound.
Compound sentence.
If it is compound, circle the connecting words like and, or, okay, plus a punctuation. What?
Page what, Mr. Council, please?
Page 231, my dear.
Okay.
231. Okay. Yes, start
Yes,
over
first,
number 1.
First, he gave an example.
Yes, okay.
All people on the earth are of the same species, homophones, and but numerous different cultures and ethnic group exist.
Yes.
Okay, so he said that this is a compound sentence, and he underlined the subject
So
one line,
this one
and the
is
verbs
what?
with two lines.
This one compound sentence.
Yes.
Yes. Where's the conjunction?
The conjunction and with the punctuation.
The conjunction and, yes, and the
yes.
punctuation, comma.
Yes.
So we'll circle them.
People.
People is a subject.
Yes, verb is
Talked
talked.
is verb 2 lines.
They is also the subject.
Here they is subject, yes. And
And here
divided.
divided is the verb.
This is a verb. This is a helping verb before divided or no, Omar? Because I can see
No,
some. No, yes.
no, there is no helping.
Yes, okay. So they is the subject and divided is the main verb. So we'll answer in
verb.
this way. We are going to answer in this way. Underline the subject 1 line, the verb 2 lines. For the conjunction, we can make circle, okay?
Mr.
Mr. What is the
number
meaning
one.
of conjunction, Mr.?
Yes, yes, mister?
Yes, Mr. Number one, we circle the and the punctuation.
Yes, as he said here, okay? So,
Yes.
but he didn't do it like that. He just circle here is a conjunction. But he said
And
then circle the connecting and or then punctuation, okay?
Mr. I have a question. What is the meaning of conjunction?
Conjunction are words that join join the sentence. Like for compound sentence, we have coordinating conjunction. Okay, they are used to join two simple sentences to make a compound sentence. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
like
Mr.
for, like if we say remember the word fanboys, like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Okay, who asked the question?
Me, Mr. Adnan.
Adnan, can you answer number 2?
In the past, scientists divided the world population into different races.
Yes. What type of this sentence?
Uh, I
Simple
think
or compound?
simple, Mr.
Simple, yes. This one is simple because we have only one sentence, yes?
Yes.
Where is the subject?
Scientists.
Scientist is the subject. The verb?
Divided.
Divided.
Can I
It's okay.
answer?
Yes, Saho.
Yes, Mr. Can I answer?
Can I answer? I'm Yusuf Tam.
Okay, Yusuf Tamer, give him the chance, please. Yes, Yusuf Tamer. Okay, Yusuf Tamer, then okay, Abbas. I select one by one, okay? To avoid forgetting in one in our session. Yes, Yusuf Tamer, huh?
Today people talk about different races, but the word race has little meaning.
Today people talk about different races, but the word race had little meaning. So, what type of sentence? Huh?
Mr. Can
I'd like to hear him, please. Yes, Yusuf?
Compound.
Compound sentence, yes. Where is the conjunction in this sentence? Huh?
People subject.
Okay, people subject, okay. Huh?
Talk is the verb.
Talk about is a verb, okay. With this phrasal verb. Okay, huh? What else?
Word race is the subject.
The word subject, word race, subject. Okay, and the verb
Has little meaning.
has, okay. Where is the conjunction?
Little meaning.
Conjunction, where is it? The join words. The join words in this sentence, we have the word what
Different
here.
races.
The word what here, what we have.
Different races.
But, yes. This is it.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, thanks so much, Yusuf. Yes.
Mr. Can I answer? Muhammad Mithat.
Okay, Abbas. Okay, Muhammad Behat after Abbas. Okay.
Mr. I said to answer before the.
Okay, Muhammad, your answer number 6. Muhammad Behat number 5. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Abbas.
The word race does not have much meaning nowadays.
Yes, what the type of sentence?
In the future. Mr. It's in a compound.
Compound sentence, yes. Where's the conjunction?
Nor.
Nor, yes, well done. Nor, it's used for to join negative sentence, okay? So, let me use a pen, okay? Nor here is a conjunction, okay? Where's the subject?
The word race.
Word race, the verb
Does not.
doesn't have or does not have, okay?
Mr. And the second subject and verb.
Yes.
It will be it.
It the subject. Yes.
And will is the verb.
Well is the verb, yes, okay. Thanks so much, Abbas. Yes, Muhammad Midhat.
Yes, Mr.
My dear students, can you turn on your cam, please? Turn on your cam again, okay. Muhammad Mustafa, be ready for number 7, okay? After Muhammad Islam.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Muhammad Midhat.
Yes, Mr. Very few pure races exist today, Mr. Pure races subject exist the verb
Pure race.
for
Pure, this one is the subject. Very few pure races, this one
yes
is the subject.
exist
Exist
the
is
verb
the verb, yes.
and the for is conjunction.
Conjunction,
Yes.
okay.
People is the subject.
Okay.
Have the verb.
People worldwide, this one. Subject, okay. Have migrated, this one is a verb, yes.
Yes, Mr.
So what's the type of sentence?
Compound.
Compound sentence. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Excellent, Muhammad. Okay, Muhammad Islam number 6.
Yes, Mr. Today, human differences are only partly biological. So, Mr. Here we have it's not complex, it's simple.
That's compound, okay. So
Not compound, it's
yes,
simple, I mean.
it's a simple sentence. Okay.
Yes, Mr. We have the subject human.
Human is a subject, yes.
And the verb is are.
Human differences, okay, this is the subject. And the verb is?
The verb is are.
Are. Well done, Muhammad. Thanks so much, Muhammad.
Welcome, Mr.
Muhammad Mustafa.
Yes,
Then
Mr.
Yusuf Rafat, okay, and Omar Bara.
Mr. Can I answer?
Okay, my dear.
Yes, Mr. Number 7.
Number 7, huh?
Yes, our differences are often cultural, economic, or political.
Yes.
Mr. Differences is the subject.
Okay, what's the type of sentence at first?
It is simple.
Simple sentence, okay. Yes. Then the subject?
Differences.
Our differences is the subject, yes. And the verb?
Are is the verb.
Are is the verb. Nothing more, yes, Muhammad?
No, Mr. We have or and 2 commas.
But take care, or here is not a conjunction, okay?
Yes.
Or here is not a conjunction, okay? How
Yes,
can we know this sentence is a compound sentence if we have 2 subjects, okay? Do we have 2 subjects here?
No.
Oh.
Do we have 2 verbs?
No.
Only 1 verb and 1 subject, so it would be simple sentence. All of you take care of this point, please, okay?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, number 8. Thanks so much, Muhammad. Number 8, Yusuf Rafat, then Omar
Can I
El-Bara.
answer?
Who?
This is Daniel.
What?
Mr. Yusuf Tamer wants to answer.
Yusuf Tamer? You have
Yes.
just answered, Yusuf. Give the chance for the other, please. Yusuf Rafat, can you start? Number 8.
Okay. Okay.
Tell me at first what the type of sentence?
It's a compound sentence.
Yes, well done. It's compound sentence. Yes.
Mr. Human is the subject.
Humans is the subject, and the verb what?
Have.
Have, so do 2 lines.
Mr. Yet is the conjunction.
Yes, it's a conjunction.
And Mr. There is also a comma.
We, okay. Yes.
We is a subject and have
Have
is the
is a verb. Yes, well done. Thanks so much, yes, for Rafat. Please do the same inside your book, please. Do the same inside your book. Okay?
doing it, Mr.
Yes.
We won't have a homework in this exercise.
No, I mean answer with me inside your book. Okay? We have homework.
Yeah, I'm talking about the homework.
By the end of the session. Exercise 11. Okay?
Okay.
Amr al-Bara. Number 9.
In what ways are all people similar? Mr. It's a simple sentence.
It's a simple sentence.
The verb are and all people is the subject.
Yes, well done. The verb is are.
Mr. Can I answer?
And the subject all people. All people. So we can say, supposed to say all people are. It said in what ways are all people similar? So all people is the subject and the are is the verb. Yes, Khalid Mustafa, number 10.
Yes, miss. Okay.
Yes.
We can speak or similarities such as use of language, or we can look at social structures such as government and family.
Yes. What's the type of
Is
this sentence?
compound.
Yes, it's compound sentence. Well done,
Yes.
Khalid. Where's the subject? Where are the
Subjects of
subjects? Huh?
we.
We in the first sentence.
Yes.
And we
And
also the
verb,
second one. Yes.
yes. And the verb,
verb
can speak.
Can speak. And the second sentence.
Yes.
Can
look.
Yes.
At
The conjunction.
the conjunction or
Or.
with the comma.
Yes, or with comma, sorry. Or with comma. Any question for this part? For this exercise?
No,
Okay,
Mr.
I'm ready to move with you to the next one, okay?
Mr.
Yes. What?
Are you
My dear?
only one line, not two? Number 9.
Number 9?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
You put under are the verb one line.
Sorry, yes, yeah, okay, we can change the problem. Okay.
No, Mr.
But the
I don't
verb
have
is
any
two
problem,
lines
but
only.
maybe
Are
some
2 lines.
of us
Okay.
can confuse.
So are 2 lines. What, Muhammad?
No, Mr.
Yes.
I don't,
Nothing more? Okay. Now, can I erase?
yes,
I said
Mr.
this answer key after we finish our thing. But please write with me when we start to answer together to avoid wasting our time. So the next group that will answer is me, Muaz, Amgad, Yusuf Rami, Yusuf Mustafa. The student who didn't participate with me in this exercise will participate with me in the next one. Okay, this is the answer key of this exercise. The next one, exercise 5. Yes, who can answer? We can start with who?
Can I answer?
Yes, who?
Can I answer?
Muhammad.
Muhammad Mustafa, okay. Muhammad, read the question, please.
No, Mr.
Okay,
It's not the same.
Answer number 1. Then Muaz, okay, Muaz.
Okay, Mr.
Muaz Amgad, after Muaz.
Mr. The one you
Sir,
told to
can you hear
answer
me?
is the one you told to answer is Muhammad Islam, not Muhammad Mustafa.
What?
The one you told to answer is Muhammad Islam, not Muhammad Mustafa.
Muhammad Islam, yes. Muhammad Islam.
Mr. I'm the one who you said for him to answer, not Muhammad Mustafa.
Okay. Okay, Muhammad Islam, yes. That's fine.
Mr. Your voice is lacking.
Yes, my internet is
Yes,
unstable.
Mr. The voice is loud.
Yes, my internet is unstable. Sorry. Yes, Muhammad Islam, can you start? Muhammad?
What, Mr.? We can't hear you well.
Yes, yes, my internet is unstable.
Okay, yes,
Number
Mr.
5. Number
Read.
5, yes. Combine the following.
No problem, Mr. Start reading.
Yes, start please. start, Muhammad, please.
Okay, Mr.
Huh?
Practice 5. Combine the following sentences with and, but, or so, yet, or nor.
If I, sorry, my internet is unstable, Muhammad.
Yes, Mr. Can you hear me now?
Yes, well, I share with you now the parts that we had. Yes, Muhammad, practice 5. Yes, Muhammad, can you start? Yes, Muhammad, my internet is unstable. So I'll try. Okay. My internet is unstable, Muhammad. The other, can you hear me? The other students, Muhammad Islam. Can you hear me now?
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Mr.
Sorry, the internet is unstable today. I don't know why. Okay, I share it with you.
No problem.
Give me the host, please.
Okay, Mr. Just I will search for you because they are raising their hand.
Okay.
Okay, it's with you now, Mr.
Yeah, thanks so much, Muhammad. Now, can you see the screen?
Welcome.
Okay. Read, please.
Okay. Practice 5. Combine the following sentence with and, but, or, so, yet, or, nor. If a noun is repeated, change its pronoun in the second clause. Use each conjunction at least one. Pay attention to the punctuations as you write your new sentence. Example: the population of the world has increased throughout history. In this century, the population of the world has grown the fastest. The population of the world has increased throughout history, but in this century, it has grown the fastest. So in the first one, the population of the world is increasing. The population of some countries in Africa are increasing the fastest. So we can say the population of the world is increasing, comma, but in some countries of Africa, it is the fastest.
You said again, the populations of the world is increasing, but or yet.
Then comma.
Yes, we can use it, but or yet. In Africa, they are increasing the fastest.
The fastest.
Yes, well done, Muhammad. For this exercise, you're not right. I choose the answer after we finish, okay? Because
okay,
the time is started to pass. Yes, number
Mr.
2.
Answer.
Number 2,
Mr. Said
Muaz,
Muaz.
as we agree together, Muaz. Number 2.
The growing population has many needs. Some countries are unable to meet these needs. Mr. We can put but some and comma before it.
We can use the word but, yes, or yet.
Yes.
Okay. But you said that in the question, you said pay attention to punctuation as you write your new sentence. Don't forget to add comma before the coordinating conjunction when you write, okay?
Mr.
And you said also, yes, my dear.
Mr.
Use
We
H1
can
yes.
Mr. We can use the and. Some countries are unable to meet these needs.
Number 2.
Yes.
A growing population has many needs, and some countries are unable. It can be yes, can be. He said in the question, use each conjunction at least once. So some sentence can take more than one conjunction. Okay.
Okay.
Number 3. Thanks so much. Number 3. I'm good.
Yes,
Thanks so
Mr.
much,
A larger population needs more water. A larger population requires more energy and food. Larger population needs more water, and a larger population requires more energy and food.
So number 3 is use and, yes?
Yes,
okay,
for it would come.
Yes, well done.
Can it be but?
Yes.
Can I ask
But here,
something?
but there is
Yes.
no contrast, I think, here.
Mr.
A
Can I
large
say
population
something?
needs more water. But no, here you add information, so we use and here is better, yes?
Can I say something about number 3?
Yes. Yes, Khaled.
Can we write so after a larger population needs more
So,
water, comma, and so a larger population require more energy and food?
a larger population needs more water, so a larger population requires more energy. No, here you add information, yes, Khalid. You use the same
Yes.
subject, yes, and you add extra information by saying that a larger population needs more water, more energy, and food. So you add, yes,
Yes. Okay.
needs has the same meaning of requires. So we can use the word and here is better. Okay,
Okay, Miss.
thanks so much, Khalid. Number 4, who will answer number 4?
Can I answer number 4? I'm Saframi.
Yusuf Rami, okay.
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia, huh?
It must increase its agricultural production. Many young Ethiopians may not get the food they need. Mr. We can
Yes.
write here Ethiopia, for example, must increase agricultural production, comma, yet many young Ethiopians may not get the food they need.
I prefer to use here or. Do you know why?
Or,
Yes, read the sentence by using or.
yes,
Mm.
Ethiopia, for example, must increase its agricultural production, or many
Or,
young Ethiopians may not get the food they need.
yes, so or is better here, yes?
Yes.
You agree with me?
Mister, we can put yet at the end of the second sentence.
No, my dear, yet, like, but. It's used, all the coordinate conjunction are used in the middle. Okay?
Okay, Mr. Yes.
Yet, if you mean yet, this word yet with the present perfect. I understand what you mean. But yet here, if you use at the end of the sentence, for example, you can say, I haven't met him yet. Okay? So yet here is used for negative form with the present perfect. But here is a conjunction, like but, the same meaning, okay?
Yes.
So all the coordinate conjunction are used in the middle of the sentence. Okay?
Yes.
Mister, I have a question.
Yes.
Can we say Ethiopia, for example, must increase its agriculture production, and many young Ethiopians may not get the food they
But
need?
here you don't add information. What's the information that you add? Here you give a warning by using or. You can say, Ethiopia, for example, must increase its agriculture production. If they didn't, what happened? Or many young Ethiopians may not get the food they need.
Okay.
Yes. Number
Yes.
5. Who will answer number 5? I'd like someone who didn't participate before. Yusuf Mustafa. Yusuf Mustafa. Yusuf Mustafa. Adnan Abdullah.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, answer number 5.
These countries cannot change farming methods rapidly. These countries cannot change other traditions easy.
He said what
I
here,
don't
number 5? These
I don't
countries cannot change farming method rapidly. Huh?
I don't understand this question.
This sentence, it's a negative form. It's in the negative form, yes?
Yes.
And we said for the negative, we can use a conjunction nor to join to negative sentence, yes?
Yes.
So when we write this sentence, take care of all of you in this sentence, we can say these countries cannot change farming methods rapidly. Then we can say what here? Let me write in front of you. In the middle, we have here what? We have the subject, these countries, it's repeated subject, yes?
Yes.
We'll remove this one, sorry. At first, I remove this one, okay? Then I make replacement between can't. I can say, for example, let me write this one. These countries cannot change farming methods rapidly, nor, okay, can. Then this one, I can replace it I can say nor can, they,
Nor,
because these countries, as we can replace it with the pronoun, yes?
yes.
So we can say, nor can they change other traditions easily. Is it clear?
Yes, Mr. I understand it now.
Okay,
Mr.
so we
And
make
there is a
replacement
comma
if
before
we use
nor
nor.
or
Listen
no?
to me. If we have a negative sentence and you would like to use nor, for the second sentence, we'll use nor in the middle. We forgot to add comma, sorry. Supposed to have comma here. Okay. Then we make replacement between the subject and the helping verb. So I can say, these countries cannot change farming methods rapidly, nor can they change other traditions easily. Is it clear?
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Yes.
Number 6, Yusuf Mustafa. Yusuf Mustafa. Yusuf Walid.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Yusuf Walid. Number 6. Number 6, many parents.
Simon, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay, Simon, okay. Yes, Yusuf Walid, number 6. Can you read?
Many parents want their children to help them and take care of them in later years. Many parents have large families.
So, what can we write here? Many parents want their children to help them and take care of them in later years. What we can write here? Here we have a result, yes, or we have a reason before in the first sentence. Yes, Yusuf?
Yes.
So what we can use here? But, or yet, or so, or and. Which one do you prefer here?
But
we have here a reason. He said many parents want their children to help them and take care of them in later years. We have reason here, yes? So we can write what here, the word so, yes?
yes.
So they have larger families, okay? So what
Yes.
we can write here, the word so, and before so, comma, and instead of many parents, to avoid repeating, I can write they. Okay, I can write they. Okay, Yusuf.
Yes.
Grade 8, I skipped the number 7 and the 8 because the time started to pass. Then we are going to answer exercise 7. Exercise 6 and 8, 6, 8, 10 are cancelled. 6, 8, 10 are cancelled because they are useless. Okay, they are depend on imagination and wasting of time. So we will not answer them. Okay. You agree with me, my dear students?
Yes, Mr.
Number 6 again. Number 6, 8, and 10 are useless. So we will not answer them. Cancel. Okay. Now we are going to move together for practice 7. This is the answer key of practice 5. Now practice 7. Omar Ahmed, can you read?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Each of these sentences has an error with the placement of the verb. Find and correct the error. Unlike Joanna, Manuel lives in Venezuela. His
Like
life is
Jonah,
different.
Manuel lives in Venezuela. His life is
His life
different in many other
in
ways.
many other ways.
For example,
For example, say Manuel doesn't have a place of his own, nor does he have a good salary.
so we replace, as we said, we replace the subject with the helping verb. So it will be nor does he have. Okay. Yes, Omar, number 1.
First, say Manuel isn't planning to book for a job, nor he is planning to move to the city.
So it will be
Mr.
we make replacement between the subject and the helping verb. So it will be nor
Subject, nor is he planning.
is he. Okay, nor
Yes, is he planning.
Okay, the same for the next sentence. Thanks so much, Omar Ahmed. Muhammad Mustafa, number 2.
Yes, Mr. He
Yes.
isn't living in Caracas, nor
Caracas.
he is
Nor.
nor he is living in Merida.
So we can write
Nor he isn't living in Caracas, nor is he living.
you would put nor at the beginning.
No, Mr. Between the
In
first
the middle, yes. Nor
yes.
is he. Nor is he. We remove the
living.
negative. You know why?
Yes, Mr.
Because nor gives you the same meaning of negative form. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. And thanks so much, Mustafa. I'm Muhammad Mustafa. Number 3. Yusuf Tamer, huh? Yusuf Tamer.
He didn't reply.
Yusuf Tamer. Join with 2 account. Yusuf, I don't answer. Yusuf Tamer, please.
Mr. Can I answer me Abbas if he didn't reply?
Okay, answer number 4, Abbas. We can select the, yes.
But I have a problem in my mic.
Okay, I can hear you well now, Yusuf. Can you answer?
Yes.
Okay, huh? Number 3. He wasn't in class yesterday.
Nor he was at home.
So it will be
Nor was he at home.
yes, well done. Nor was he. Nor was he. Thanks so much, Yusuf Tamer. Abbas, then Galal Ahmed, Abbas Hamza. Abbas start.
Yes.
Manuel won't go to visit his grandparents tomorrow. Nor he will. Mr. It will be nor will he.
Nor will he, yes. Let me write, okay. Nor will he. Yes, Galal Ahmed.
Yes.
Number 5.
He hasn't been to Mexico, nor he has been to Spain, nor has he.
Nor has he. Well done, Galal. Hamza Dawood.
Yes, Mr.
Number 6.
He didn't lose his wallet, nor he did lose his umbrella, nor did he.
Nor did he. Yes, nor did he. Nor did he. Thanks so much, my dear students. We finished now exercise 7, so we are going to move to exercise 9. As we said, exercise 8 is cancelled, okay? I raise this part. Have you written?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Exercise 9, Yusuf Rafat.
Yes, Mr.
Before we start exercise 9, we have a part that I'd like to explain it in quickly. This part is very simple. It said that coordinated conjunction can also join words, phrases, and clauses with one sentence. It means here and, but, or, yet are often used to join 2 or more verbs, nouns, and nouns, adjectives, and so on. No commas are used with 2 words or with 2 phrases or clauses. For example, the world produces enough food and they can nourish every human. As we can see here, there is no comma because we join 2 verbs, produce and can nourish. Okay, so there is no comma. It's a simple sentence. Take care. Simple sentence. Okay, not compound. Okay, my dear.
Okay, Mr.
We can use this conjunction to join 2 nouns. For example, we ate a pizza and a kebab. Here we have 2 things, and here is not a conjunction. Okay, so there is no comma. Put this in
So,
your mind. Yes.
Mr. We can difference them.
Yes.
With the comma, it give us a sentence with the subject and the verb. But without a comma, it just give us another noun.
Yes, you are correct. But we can add that in the compound sentence, we must have two subjects and two verbs. Okay. As we can see, we have here one subject. Yes.
Yes.
And one verb. Yes, my dear. And this one, we have one subject and the two verbs, but we must have two subjects, two verbs to be a compound sentence. Okay, put this in your mind. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. So
Yes.
we ate pizza and kebab is a simple sentence.
What happens?
Mr. We ate pizza and kebab is a simple
This
sentence.
simple sentence because we have one subject and one verb. Yes.
Yes, we have two subjects.
We have only one subject. We is a subject. Yes.
Ah, yes.
It is a verb, nothing more. Okay, so it's this one sentence, simple sentence. But compound sentence must have two subjects, two verbs. Okay.
Yeah.
The first one, as we said, we have only one subject and two verbs, so it's simple too, because we said it must have two subjects, two verbs. Okay, to be a compound sentence. Another example for adjectives, people everywhere are eating beef, which is harder and more expensive. Harder is an adjective, more expensive is an adjective. It's only one subject that we have people, yes, and one verb. So it's a simple sentence, okay? Adverbs, we can eat simply but adequately. Here we have two adverbs, but we have only one subject and one verb. So it's a simple sentence. The same for phrases. Today, hunger is not caused by scarcity, it means shortage, or by overpopulation, or also here, not a coordinating conjunction. So this sentence is a simple sentence because we have one subject only and one verb. Okay. For clauses in the future, hunger will be worse because the population is growing and because diets are changing. Here also we have two clauses are joined with and. It's not a symbol, so we have only one subject in the future. Hunger is a subject, the verb will be. Then we have to reason, so we said we use and. We have only one subject, one verb, so this sentence is not a compound sentence. We can consider it complex if we use only the first part because the population is growing. Okay, and this one, it will be compound complex. But here we cannot consider compound complex. Here we join two clauses by using what? By using and. Okay, by using and. If we remove this part, it's considered to be a complex sentence. Is it clear for you?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, practice 9. Muhammad Mustafa, read the question.
Yes, Mr. Yes. Shorten the following sentences as you learn some facts about population today. Eliminate the unnecessary words. Also eliminate commas when necessary.
Example.
Yes. Worldwide, more babies are born each year and more babies survive their first 12 months. Worldwide, more babies are born each year and survive their first 12 months.
Yes, here what we did here.
Mr. He removed the punctuation and the.
So he asked to remove here the unnecessary words. So at first he said worldwide more babies are born each year. The part that is extra or repeated here, more babies, yes?
Yes.
So he said what? Worldwide, more babies are born each year and survive their first 12 months. Here is the simple sentence because here we have one subject. We make shortage for the sentence. Okay?
Yes.
We change the compound sentence to be simple. Yes. By
Yes.
using what? By using and. Oh, okay, but is here and is not a coordinating conjunction. We join two verbs here. Is it clear, Muhammad?
Yes.
Is it clear for all of you, grade 8?
Yes.
Okay, let's answer together the next one. We remove the extra part. Yes, Muhammad, number 1. Can you answer? Muhammad Mustafa.
Yes, Mr. Our population is growing because more people are born, and our population is growing because fewer people die at a young age.
So what we can do?
Mr. We can
at first remove the comma, okay?
Yes.
Then?
And Mr. We can say the population.
Our population is repeated, yes?
Yes.
Is growing is repeated, yes?
Yes.
So the sentence will be?
Our Mr. We can remove our.
Why? Start with our, no problem. Our population, huh?
Okay, Mr.
Say
Mr.
the sentence, yes.
What, Mr.?
Say your answer, huh? Our population
is growing because more people are born
and because
fewer people die at a young age.
Yes, okay. Here we join two clauses, okay?
Yes.
So also this one will not a compound sentence, okay?
Yes.
Number 2. Thanks so much, Muhammad Islam. Muhammad Islam.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, I know that you got sleep. Number 2.
What?
I think that you got sleep.
No, I'm here.
Number 2, because I left you for much time. Yes, number 2.
No problem. The population of the United States increased by 121% from 1805 to 1926, and it increased by 200% from 1926 to 1974.
Yes.
So here, Mister.
We would like to remove the extra part.
Yeah. Nation of the.
At first, we remove the comma, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
So we remove it.
Then it.
Yes. And it, Mister, also it is not correct.
We remove it, yes. And
yes.
What is, so the sentence will be increased also is repeated, yes.
Yeah.
So
we can delete it too, and the population of the net is increased by 121% from 82. Okay, and by 200.
Yes, by 200% from 90.
So like this is.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thanks, Mom.
Mr. We can edit by.
Who?
Mr. We can edit by, Mr.
It is by.
Yes.
No, you can keep it, okay, because the numbers are different here. You can keep
yeah.
Okay, number 3, Muhammad Bedhat, number 3.
Mr.
The period, I think is finished.
Yes, Khalid?
Mr. I think the period is finished.
Yes, I know. Just a minute only, Muhammad, okay?
It's Khalid, Mr. Not
yes.
Khalid, sorry, my mistake, Khalid. Muhammad Medhat.
Yes, Mr. The population of Europe has grown only a little in recent years, and the population of Europe will grow only slightly in the future.
So the repeated part that we...
Mr. We remove the comma.
Yes. Remove the population.
The population of Europe.
Yes. So we can
and
say...
And will grow only slightly in the future.
So it will be?
Keep it. Yes, sir. The population of Europe has grown only a little in recent years
and
will grow only slightly in the future.
Yes, all of you understood that. Thanks so much, Muhammad. All of you understood the idea of this exercise. We'll make shortage. We try to decrease the sentence, decrease the words in the sentence. Okay, so we remove the extra or repeated words that we have. Do you have any question for our lesson today?
No, Mr.
Is it simple?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, please do your homework. Practice 10 also, as we said, cancel. So your homework is practice 11. Okay, you'll do it and send on the group of homework. Thanks so much for listening, my dear students, and goodbye. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Goodbye, mister.
Goodbye.
Mister, we can leave now.